and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how can you remove background on PowerPoint. So let's get started. First of all, open up your PowerPoint and then select the blank page for completing your project. Then tap on Insert, and in Insert, you will find the option of Photos. You have to tap on it and you have to import a file from your PC's or laptop's file, and then tap on Open or Insert an image on your projects or on your page. After it is uploaded, you will find the option of remove background in the top left of your screen. You have to tap on it and it will remove your background from your pictures automatically. You just have to crop your picture. It will help you remove the background of your picture. It is this simple, and I hope you like the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. It's a pretty simple process, and I hope you like the video, and I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. Thank you so much for watching the video. By following these steps, you can delete the background from your photos on your PowerPoint.